Hello everyone! Today I'm presenting a smart AI motion sensor built with Python and Flask, created by CodeNet developers. This system detects motion in real time using OpenCV, alerts us with a siren, logs events, and captures screenshots of what triggered the detection. Let me briefly explain the project folder structure so you can understand how everything is organized. The main folder is motion_sensor. app.py is the Flask backend, handling motion detection, screenshots, and serving the dashboard. alert_sound.mp3 is the siren sound played on motion detection. Screenshots stores captured images of each motion event automatically. motionEvents.csv logs the timestamp of every motion event. Templates/index.html is the main HTML dashboard for live feed and event display. Static/style.css contains professional styling for the dashboard. This clear structure makes it easy to manage code, media, and data for real-time monitoring. The backend uses Flask to serve a live dashboard and OpenCV to process the camera feed. Let me break down how it works. Frame processing. Each frame from the camera is converted to grayscale and slightly blurred to reduce noise and small irrelevant movements like shadows. Motion detection. The system keeps a running average of previous frames as a reference background. It calculates the difference between the current frame and this background. Areas with significant changes indicate motion. Contour analysis. This system checks for areas above a minimum size. Small movements like flickering lights or shadows are ignored. Red rectangles are drawn around detected motion for visual feedback. Motion persistence. To avoid false positives, motion must persist for a few consecutive frames before being considered valid. This prevents the siren from triggering on random noise. Siren alert. When valid motion is detected, a siren plays once per motion episode. If additional motion happens while the siren is playing, it continues without restarting. Logging and screenshots. The system saves a screenshot of the detected motion and logs the timestamp in a CSV file. These are later displayed on the dashboard for monitoring or evidence purposes. Live video feed. Each processed frame is encoded and streamed to the browser using Flask's response generator, so you can see the camera feed and motion highlights in real time on your dashboard or TV connected to the same network. This makes the system very practical for monitoring entrances or sensitive areas. Here, you can see the live camera feed on the dashboard. Whenever motion is detected, a red bounding box appears around moving objects. The siren sounds exactly once per motion episode. The motion event timestamp appears in the Recent Motion Events list. The corresponding screenshot is automatically saved and displayed in the Recent Screenshots section. You can view everything directly in your browser or on a TV connected to the same network. This makes the system very practical for monitoring entrances or sensitive areas. This system offers several key benefits. Real-time monitoring. See exactly what's happening instantly. Automatic alerts, sirens, and logs help respond immediately to any movement. Evidence collection. Screenshots provide proof of detected activity. Remote accessibility. The dashboard can be accessed from any browser, including TVs or tablets. Regarding hosting, while this runs on your local machine, you can also deploy it online using services like PythonAnywhere, Render, or Railway. These platforms allow the Flask app to run 24/7, so you can monitor your premises remotely from anywhere in the world. Support us by subscribing so we can keep sharing helpful content. Want the full source code for free? Just like, subscribe, and send a screenshot to techmediadevelopers@gmail.com. We'll send you the code within 15 minutes.